In today's digital world, social media has become an indispensable tool for businesses and individuals alike. With its vast user base and powerful advertising capabilities, Facebook is a particularly effective platform for social media marketing. However, it's not enough to simply create social media campaigns and post content. To ensure that your social media efforts are successful, you need to track your results and analyze your performance. This is where Facebook's comprehensive analytics tools come in. In this video, we will delve into the world of Facebook analytics and explore how to effectively track your social media marketing results using Facebook Insights. Section 1. The importance of tracking social media marketing results. Tracking your social media marketing results is crucial for several reasons. Measuring ROI. By tracking your results, you can measure the return on investment, ROI, of your social media efforts, demonstrating the value of your social media marketing to your business. Optimizing campaigns. Analyzing your results allows you to identify which campaigns are performing well and which ones need improvement. This enables you to optimize your campaigns for better results. Gaining insights. Tracking your results provides valuable insights into your audience, their preferences, and their engagement with your content. This information can inform your content strategy and overall social media marketing approach. Making data-driven decisions. By basing your decisions on data rather than guesswork, you can ensure that your social media marketing efforts are aligned with your business objectives and are more likely to succeed. Section 2. Understanding Facebook Insights. Facebook Insights is a comprehensive analytics tool that provides detailed data on your Facebook page's performance. It offers a variety of metrics and reports that you can use to track your progress, identify trends, and make informed decisions about your social media marketing strategy. Some of the key metrics that you can track using Facebook Insights include reach, the number of people who have seen your content; impressions, the number of times your content has been displayed; engagement, the amount of interaction your content has received, including likes, comments, shares, and clicks; conversions, the number of people who have taken a specific action, such as signing up for a newsletter or making a purchase. Facebook Insights also provides a variety of reports that can help you understand your audience, analyze your campaigns, and track your overall performance. These reports include Audience Insights, provides demographic and behavioral data about your audience; Post Insights, provides data on the performance of individual posts; Video Insights, provides data on the performance of your videos; Campaign Insights, provides data on the performance of your Facebook advertising campaigns. Section 3. Tracking your social media marketing results. To effectively track your social media marketing results using Facebook Insights, follow these steps. Define your goals. Clearly define your social media goals, such as increasing brand awareness, driving website traffic, generating leads, or boosting sales. Identify key metrics. Select relevant metrics that align with your goals, such as reach, engagement, conversions, or cost per acquisition, CPA. Set up Facebook Pixel. Implement Facebook Pixel, a tracking code, on your website to track conversions and attribute them to your Facebook campaigns. Utilize Facebook Insights. Regularly analyze your Facebook Insights data to track performance trends, identify areas for improvement, and make data-driven decisions to optimize your strategy. Additional tips for tracking your social media marketing results. Consider these additional tips to enhance your efforts in tracking your social media marketing results using Facebook Insights.